I have this very strong belief that all of the 7 billion people in our country, all of each individual has this one USP. Jo, if suppose if I take content writing, I'm a freelance content writer, and I think I would like to be more of into the freelance thing, as compared to being a permanent content writer in the future. So I think अगर मैं content writing की बात करूँ, the one motto, the common objective of all content writers is to write for the client and to make the client reach great heights कि client be satisfied हो कि I'm getting customers and even you are satisfied with the work that you have done for the client, because writers के लिए it is very important कि तुम अगर खुद के work से खुश नहीं हो, you cannot expect the other person to like what you have written. Okay, so I think there is a lot of stuff to write about, and there are times जो 1,000 people will write about the same subject. Just say if I take mental health right now, all the content writers are writing in some or the other lines on mental health and mental health awareness and all the stigma around it. But अगर तुम सारे 1,000 चीजें पढ़ोगे, the pointers that all 1,000 writers have written are different. एक चीज तुम्हें सिमिलर अगर मिली भी, you will see कि ये एक पॉइंट है, A पर्सन ने इसको इस तरीके से लिखा है, इस पर्सपेक्टिव से लिखा है, B पर्सन ने इस पर्सपेक्टिव से लिखा है. So I think each individual has a certain USP. So I will go for being a smaller fish in the pond, because अगर मैं छोटी भी हूँ and मेरा काम बड़ा है and मेरा uniqueness इतना unique है, वो pond में भी I will be recognized by people and by other fishes. So I think smaller fish is better. I don't know if everybody will be well versed with the economics concept of the diminishing marginal utility. So I feel that as the economic phenomenon states कि if you start doing something and तुम उसको पूरी तरीके से you consume it, there will be a time when you don't want to anymore be equipped with that thing. So I think if I am getting distracted, that is what I do. If I am getting distracted, पहली 2-3 बार I will be like, no, I have work, I have deadlines, I have to do that, and I really cannot afford to get my mind off work right now. I will leave all of those distractions and start working. After 15 minutes, I'll be back to doing something that I am not supposed to do. So that is when I feel कि मन भर लेती हूँ. I will indulge in those distractions, and after 2-3 hours I'll be like, I'm bored now, I think I should work. And that is, you won't believe, and that is the time I am the most productive, and I will complete the 4-hour thing in 2 hours. So I think just absorbing and consuming your time waste to a point जहाँ पे तुम्हें लगे कि अब बहुत time waste कर लिया, now I think I should get back, is what one should do. I mean, I don't know the proper, the technical way जो तुम कर सकते हो, but this is what I do, and it has proven to be the most effective way all these years. So I think just consuming all your time, and then when you feel कि now there is nothing that is left जो तुम्हें distract कर सकता है, because तुम already वो सारी चीजें कर चुके हो जो that can divert your mind from work, is the time when you will be most productive. And कुछ भी हो, you won't get distracted, and कुछ भी हो तुम वो काम करे बिना नहीं उठो. I think the experience of having so many different fields, I think I will credit it to my not knowing of what I want to do as a career, which led me to be like, go with the flow. I was in the 10th, and 10th के बाद you need to choose a stream for your 11th and 12th. So I didn't know what to do, and I was like, I knew that I don't want to do science. okay, like I was like science नहीं हो सकता है मुझसे, so I was like science नहीं है, so I will take up commerce. And I didn't really do a lot of research, you know, in the commerce field. I just knew एक basic होता है, BCom होता है, and BCom because I'm doing, I'll do CA also, you know, like a typical commerce student. I did that. I took up BCom. I started doing CA, and psychology was something which always intrigued me. You know, I was like, I don't understand. I'm really fascinated with the fact that I am a different person. You are a different person, right? So if both of us are put in a situation, I will have a different way of reacting and you will react in a different way. So I'm like, why does this happen? You know, I want to know about it, but due to certain reasons, I really couldn't take up psychology as, you know, my studying field. So 3 years college of graduation, I continued giving the exams of CA, and 3 months before, you know, I was about to get graduated, I was like, I don't really think I want to do CA. So after that, I was like, okay, now at least I know कि मुझे क्या नहीं करना है, but I was still blank, you know, about the fact कि what I want to do. But I think my parents were very supportive. They didn't say anything, you know, 3 साल waste कर दिए BCom लेकर, you know, you could have done BMS or BMM or some art field kind of a thing. That is when I started, you know, thinking ki, okay, I made a list ki, you know, these are my interests and this is what I'm not good at. These are things that I'm good at, but I don't want to do them as a professional. So yeah, I think it is just because I didn't know what I wanted to do is why I was going into so many fields. It is okay to not know what you want to do. What is not okay is कि तुम्हें पता है कि, you know, मेरे को नहीं पता मेरा फ्यूचर कैसा होने वाला है, so you sit back and be like, मैं तो कुछ नहीं करूंगा इसको ठीक करने. So be okay with the fact that you don't know, but don't be okay with the fact कि, you know, तुम कुछ कर नहीं रहे. You know, once you realize कि okay, I am in deep shit and I don't know what my career will be, start working on it, you know. And I feel कि career is a thing, you know, apart from your name, family, culture and everything, is what identifies an individual. And it can be very stressful कि तुम्हें पता नहीं है तुम किस चीज़ के लिए identify होना चाहते हो. So पहले accept कर लो कि, you know, तुम कहाँ पे हो अपने life में. And after that, I think because I have done CA, I am still in the hope of pursuing psychology and I am doing freelancing. I think if you want to take up 2-3 things in your life, you have to be very, very good at time management, you know, because कभी ना कभी तुम्हें लगेगा कि 24 घंटे भी बहुत कम है, you know. So time management is another thing, I think. And if I come to freelancing and content writing, I think there are so many people out there who feel कि what they write, the public and the audience and the readers will not understand because वो उनके, you know, उनका thought process है. So firstly, if you want to put your thought process onto the paper and, you know, make it reach out to the public कि उनको भी समझ आए, the only thing a writer can do is write, you know. Write the same topic 10 times and you will see कि वो 10 बार you have bettered yourself. If you are not happy with what you have written, throw that draft away. I swear, you know, just throw that draft away. तुम लिखो if you feel, you know, that satisfaction feeling कि oh my god, this is so wonderful, is when, you know, you go on to other steps कि मैं दूसरे बंदे को read करवाऊँ. So I think satisfaction, write, read stuff, and you know, just be able to let go of something. You know, तुम 1000 words का एक चीज लिख दो, but the same thing you can write in 500 words. Make it to 500 words, you know, because I think आजकल के, you know, individuals don't have that much capacity or focus to read so much. So I think जितना छोटा हो सके, जितना impactful हो सके, will be better. It will, you know, be very good for you because तुम्हारा content बाहर जा रहा है, and will be better for the readers also because उनको छोटे time में एक quality and, you know, impactful चीज मिल रही है. So that's that.